I'm starting this process with my hair, like banded up the roots, I guess, for the most part, except for where I didn't have rubber bands, and then just braided.
It's in curses that there's a cross.
Are you videotaping this part?
Yeah, even though she's probably in the most.
This is the beginning grid.
Goodness.
There you go.
I'm so pale. Okay, so this is where we're at so far. Okay, look at this. I'm so excited. Like, I feel like it's gonna be so cute. I love the size, like it's perfect. Only thing I'm a little bit worried about is my hair. I never really recovered from my takeout, which is in another video if you are interested in seeing my traditional locks. But yeah, we've done 5 sections so far, averaging about 20 locks per section, and we started around 8:07 p.m. and it's now noon. So this is the progress. So cute. Y'all see this progress? Like,
My hands are cramping up.
it ain't even been, has it been 12 hours? Maybe it's been 12 hours. 8 a.m. to 4?
My hands are cramping up.
Your skin looks good.
I used the filter.
No filter. Alright, so this is where we're at after about 10 hours or so of hard work by my mom. I'm just going to show you where we're at, and I'm thinking we'll be done either early tomorrow or by the end of the day. None of that. This here, and there's some more left to do. But yeah, I'm loving it so far. So yeah, stay tuned. When I'm done, I'll be posting part 2 to this video so you can see how they finally turned out. But yeah, thanks guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And excuse me looking crazy as usual for these hair videos.